What's up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. You go to rwcweb.com, you put your best email right here, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great stuff. Okay, teaching you guys how to do your affiliate web pages. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification button, because it's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys. Now, I don't know if you remember, originally if you went to rwcweb.com, I just had my lead capture page like this. Okay, now it's a lead. This is really just a sign up page that I had, because obviously all I'm giving out is free video training. And anybody can just go to YouTube and get that on any subject, literally. Okay, but basically, I was sending people here from other platforms, YouTube, Rumble, different platforms like that. My blogs. Okay, so I was acquiring them just to sign up, just so I could give them training, on how to do their affiliate websites. Okay, so. And you can use a site like this for a long time. I'm sure if you watch some of my other videos, I was in the woodworking niche, and also into the health and fitness, okay, because I've been a bodybuilder all my life. And, like I've had this lead capture up for a while. Although I only really do private training. I'm just starting a YouTube channel on it, okay? But these lead capture pages, and what you could do is you can have as many as you want. It could get a little costly, but eventually it's good to have like a generic website, and you could pick a niche or pick a product. What I suggest if you're starting out is to do a one product thing, okay? Like I have this product that I created. I'm the old DOS geek, so I created this in HTML. Basically what it is, it's a form in HTML, CSS, and PHP. And I sell this program, and you could use it on your website's indefinite, and then I got free video training on it too. It's actually pretty cool. Something I've used in the past, because in the past, I've been around since before AWeber and all those guys. At least I didn't know of them back then, 1999, 2000. Okay, so we used to have to do our own form, what they called CGI. Oh, it was brutal, So I basically, what'll happen is, like, in my lead capture pages, okay, let me find my other one here, I'll show you. Let's open this in a new tab. Okay, and these lead capture pages, now these are lead capture pages, one's like this, one's like this, okay. This isn't a lead capture page, this is a bridge page, okay. This is a bridge page, and basically it's going to take you to the affiliate link here. But it is a single product. You understand? It's a single product. And this is actually a free subdomain from WebStarts here. Okay? It's free subdomain. And I've been making some sales off it, advertising on Facebook, because now Facebook allows you to use an actual subdomain in your advertisement. So I was surprised actually that I didn't get booted off. Okay, so in the lead capture page, and again, it could be one product, one subject, niche, whatever you want to call it. It could be fishing, it could be, and I got a lot of great ideas and stuff. If you go here, it's rwcweb.com/B G for Beginner's Guide. I'm pretty sure I got a link in all my YouTube descriptions. What it is this will take you to a thank you page, okay? And it'll send you the ebook in the email. And then in the ebook, there's another link with a passcode to get into another private section where I give out 300 different niche ideas for websites and stuff like that, okay? Now, a lot of sites today, now what you see like as seen on TV, now, I actually bought these in the store. They worked for a little bit, but then they crapped out on me. But they were really good when they worked, I have to admit. These particular sites, this one looks like it's been around for a while. There's a company called Bulbhead, and you should probably see it a lot on the TV. But they've mastered the one-page sales page. Okay, they literally mastered it. You got your little video
When
up
you
here.
need to see up close, do you squint and
Okay.
strain?
Probably seen that on the television. All right. They got the upsell. Your funnel is literally right there. Okay. And of course, you know, on any, like if you saw my previous videos, you know, an eye-catching headline, you identify the problem, okay, you know, then you explain the product and the solution, show what it does before and after, okay. Now, if I click this here, unlike on my site, here, if they click here, it takes them to a separate page, okay, which I probably should put this all on the one page. But still, even if I put it on the one page, when they click it, it's going to go to the you know, like this, the actual checkout page, okay. All right, so, and that's not a bad thing. You know, I'm still making sales, still works. Okay, but I'm eventually going to set it up like this here. Okay, because when I click this button, it's just going to shove me down to the bottom of the page. It's going to go to the upsell. Okay, and it's genius. It's just genius. Okay, and then you're ready to make the commitment right there, which I think is fantastic. Okay, now unfortunately there aren't too many especially on ClickBank, there aren't too many products that you can get to promote as an affiliate. Well, they'll allow you to go straight to the checkout. Very, very few. Okay? And even then, you know, I mean, you could ultimately, I don't know how legal it is, how ethical it is, but if you got an affiliate product, you can ultimately set this up on your website and have you take all their information, and then you go to your affiliate website, kind of like a retail arbitrage. Never actually tried it, but I've had it in my head for a long time to do it, but I'm just kind of afraid to do it. I don't want to get kicked off anything, you know. But this is a great way to do it with the actual checkout right on the page, you know. Again, these sites like this, like with this here, again, this is a bridge page that I use for advertising, and hopefully when they come here, they're going to click on it and go to the VSL, you know, video sales letter. Okay. And like even here, you still got another step to add it to your cart. And again, while I'm here, you know, always check your links. Okay, so see, that's my affiliate ID with ClickBank right there. So always check your links as well on any site that you make Okay, this is nice the way they did this up here. ClickBank, you know, they're pretty much the top of the food chain anymore. Look at this, and they even got a downsell here. That's what they call a downsell. $20. Click here to claim the investment is the only thing holding you back. Oh man, that's a great line. And then see, like, this is a perfect idea. Even though I'm affiliate to this, I'm going to copy this. Okay, and I could use that. There's no law on me taking that and using that in my pop-up downsell. Okay, so that's what they call a downsell. Okay, it's called a downsell. You heard an upsell where they want to charge you more. Okay, so again, I would suggest like my sciatica site. And you know, in the beginning they used to tell us, oh, you can't use a subdomain, you can't use a subdomain. Okay, this is a subdomain with WebStart, so I have the link in the description. And in the past they wouldn't allow you, like on Facebook, to advertise it, and now they do, so it was great. Okay, so this is Ray, the old DOS geek from Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification button, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys. Take care.